Oh my God, Christmas breeze oh blow. Can you hear it? Can feel it. Anyway, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Yes, I'm hungry. Go look if I find something. I want bread. I want to make myself a nice breakfast, but banana bread. Probably not to make no big breakfast again because the time longer. I don't hear the breeze, but I don't even know if I hear me. But you hear the breeze? Oh my God! Snow! Let's have the snow now. Oh, there's no snow. I'm gonna show you the breeze. Rockin' around Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Mistletoe hung where you can see. Oh no, look there. Oh no, nice the breeze pan it something, but you not hear it. Don't. The breeze no normal. Rain a falling now. Watch me. Guys, I came back. We got cornflakes, and we got milk and a butter bread. As I told you, we have burger in the fridge, so I'm gonna make a burger. Well, Shana kept it on the pot already. I'm so hungry, so I start eating the cornflakes because I'm hungry. They had porridge this morning. I only drink porridge once in a while because it kind of upset my stomach. So yeah, so I'm gonna eat this cornflakes and then get back to you guys. I ate my breakfast and I didn't remember to even show no when it got prepared or when it done. But anyway, so that's life. I had a little burger. I'm gonna be having some fruits in a few while, in a while. We need some melon, pawpaw, and cantaloupe. Yes, the birthday fever blew out a door. I mean, the breeze is so nice. And then today was supposed to be a little pamper day. I'm gonna ask my sister to fix up neat up my little eyebrow for me. And I'm going to pamper myself in the bathroom. My ear done comb already from yesterday. Come on down. I want to bother my sister. But she still have to go put on the little extension here. So when I put on it, we see her when it's put. So guys, you sit down here. A vlog hotel and not na vlog. Like me don't know when me and come after that. But anyway, let's go again. So as I was saying, I had breakfast. I had burgers and I didn't remember to vlog that part. But anyway, nevertheless, we're going to continue. I'm gonna be eating fruits in a while because I just have to eat a little burger go down a little bit more so we can catch up the fruits them, and drink my water and relax and start on my day's work. So I was saying that today was supposed to be my pamper day. I don't know how far I'm going to get in this pamper day, but the two have to do. Not true, baby? The two have to do. You can't go in my birthday, so Toya will not have it. I mean, also should have cost me out. So we're going to go buy Toya my nail tech in a few. Well, not in a few. When we done do most of our work, I'm going to try clean up the plate. Okay, after you're done that, you're going to start cleaning up, right? Yeah, so we're going to clean up. I'm going to comb Twitch here. If you don't know who is Twitch, Twitch is my little sweetie pie. Twitch, yes. And then afterwards, yeah, I'll go make my sister neat up my eyebrow. I need to put on my earpiece. When I put on, you will see her while it's putting on. I need to get cuter. I'm cute already. I don't care what you say. I'm cute already. Just joking. Anyway, so we're gonna get that done, and then afterwards, no, we're gonna go practice at about 6, cause Petisha ends work at 6. So after 6 thereabouts, we're going to practice about songs, dance, everything. I wanted to let the children come to practice today, but I'm not going to bother because I have a lot to do and I want to conquer it today. So yeah, but how is your Saturday going? My sister is over there editing. Let's make her say hi.
Hey.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day.
Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3.
You know, so she am a bonify, so chef always. I'm sorry. Yeah, you know, so she am a bonify, so chef always in my vlog. I don't care. So yes, yeah. Have yourself a wonderful Saturday. Continue. Yeah, well, Saturday by this post Saturday gone already, but I hope you had a wonderful Saturday. Yeah. So Yeah, you know, I don't understand.
Twitch titty in a video.
Oh my gosh! She's so naked! Anywho, yes, as I was saying before Twitch rudely interrupt us. At the Twitch, move now! At the spot right there, the Christmas tree should have been there. You see? And look what is there. The board. You know why? I start clean up, not yet. This is like the second time this happened to us. I mean, happened some years ago. I'm like, what is going on? A Christmas breeze just goes so whoop. Christmas. It's like it skip out October and November because after September, I don't know what happened. It just skip out October because I can't believe say a December already. Like, no, it skip out sometimes, but we just have to work with what we have here. We can't do no better. Ah! I wonder why my ear tippy toes. It's just my mommy. Hi, mommy.
This ain't no fun.
Twitch. Bye. Guys, I am in my room trying to clean up. So my video was uploading, so I couldn't get to show you while I was folding. So I folded all my clothes, and now I'm here looking for some work clothes. So I think we have about 3 weeks left in school. I think I'm gonna check on that. So I need to look for 3 weeks clothes, right? One of the days fun day, so I think I don't have to look for that one, but I'm gonna get looking. Sorry, I'm so tired. I'm gonna get looking because I need to finish cleaning up the place, wash some clothes, and head out to do my nails. Well, not my finger, my toes, you know. As I said, it's the pamper weekend. So we're gonna get started. I think our color for this week is pink. I don't think I have a lot of pink, but I'm gonna, you know, use what I have. So I'm gonna wear pink with something. I got this pink. This pink gots to come too. This pink too, and this pink. But I have a lot of pink, man. Can I have a lot of pink, you know? Look like me have one whole heap of pink, I don't know. Say look like me have whole heap of pink, I don't know. Pink. Pink, pink, pink. Look at that. Pink! So I'm gonna use pink for this week. And then next week. Next week is red. And then the other week is green. Oh, I just 2 weeks left? Oh, my bad, Vlog. I said 3. It's 2. What competition? Oh, other week, staff enrichment. So I'm gonna have no school for true. So I'm gonna just look for 2 weeks. And one of them are something else. So that means I just 9 clothes me need. Yay! Drum roll. So let's look for 9 clothes, people. So I'm gonna pick this one. It's long bad. But anyway, I'm gonna wear it with this. I'm gonna wear it on the birthday. So I'm gonna wear it with this. So that's Monday. Monday. Let's see if I can find something to go nicely with that little thing over there. With it, I got a blow, but I just don't know where to place it. That's the thing. room is clean. Of course, we're not doing the Christmas cleaning today. So the room is clean. I'm gonna be now combing Twitch hair, and then yeah, I'm gonna see what else can be done today. Yay! Guys, the electricity is gone. I'm in the dark. I wanted to show you Janice's here, but she's sleeping, so it didn't take us long. But anyway, I cleaned up the place. Looks a little better. Not Christmas cleaning yet. I didn't get to pamper myself as much because current went. My nail tech wasn't there. She came back and she was saying that the current is gone. So no make no sense. So I'm gonna have to go early in the morning. So yeah, we'll see that. Guys, it's the next morning. I told her that the current went, right? And I couldn't get to do my nails because you know the nail tech are gonna need electricity to do some things. No, I'm just going to do my toes because I wasn't planning to do my fingers because you know, because of time and whatever. So it's a good thing that I wasn't planning to do my fingers, so I can still go to the nail tech and do my toes. So I'm on my way to the nail tech to do my toes. Me I put on socks because me no want want my foot nausea up by me for reach around. So yeah, when I get there, I'll, you know, buzz you in. And I think after that I'm gonna end the vlog there because yeah,